Please stand by for an important message on station KEC 49.
The following is an urgent weather message from the National Weather Service, issued at 9:13 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Santa Cruz County in Northern California until 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 9:13 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles southwest of Felton, or 8 miles west of Santa Cruz, and moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Santa Cruz, Scotts Valley, Capitola, Live Oak, Felton, Sockwell, Twin Lakes, Opal Cliffs, Ben Lomond, Aptos, Boulder Creek and Rio Del Mar. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are in a mobile home or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.